Ow! 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 My ears. Better hurry up soon. Wow. Oh, I'm going to drop my phone, then that's not going to do anybody any good. I'm just about to see it over the top of the roof there. Wow, that was a good one. Not as good as the one earlier where it set off the car alarm, but... Ow! My ears! I would say... Oh, no. 1, 2... Yay! Pretty! Wow! Is that it? Is that it? Don't know. Nope, that's definitely not it. Wow. Piddle. Wow, that was big. This might go on for a while. I can't feel it. It's not really the best way. You know. Okay, come on, like 3 more big ones and we ought to be done. You remember I said earlier about us being a cheapskate? Well, it turns out we're not. I would say we're a bit OTT. Here we go. These are the really big ones. Hopefully now that's it. Nope, nope. Wow, wow. Wow. Come on, I mean, how many more of these things? Possibly fit. Wow, that was huge. I think this is probably the finale. Hey, there we go. Faster a bit there. Yeah. These are probably the last ones, I hope. No! Wow, that one was red. Here comes another one. Wow, oh dear. There's ones that spire out, there's ones we just had, those are my mum's favourite ones. I don't quite like the ones that go bang like that, but, you know. The taller ones are fine. And I just said, southern. If you can hear that, everybody's cheering, so I'm going to take that to be, you know, the end. As it... Yeah, okay, so that was all our fireworks. I hope you enjoyed our little presentation.